Homeowners in Des Allemands understand the importance of choosing features that can stand up to South Louisiana's unique climate while enhancing comfort and style. From humid summers and heavy rains to the occasional strong storm system, your home's windows play a crucial role in protection, energy efficiency, and overall curb appeal. One window style that continues to grow in popularity across the area is the casement window, and for good reason. If you're considering upgrading your windows, here's why casement windows are an excellent investment for Des Allemands homes. Superior ventilation for Louisiana's climate. Des Allemands homeowners know how valuable a good breeze can be, especially during warmer months. Casement windows are hinged on the side and open outward like a door, allowing them to catch and direct fresh air into your home. Because the entire window panel opens, you get significantly more ventilation compared to traditional double-hung windows that only open halfway. This improved airflow helps reduce indoor humidity levels and keeps your living spaces feeling fresher and more comfortable. For homes near the bayou or in areas where moisture is a constant concern, better ventilation can also contribute to improved indoor air quality. Enhanced energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is top of mind for many homeowners in Des Allemands, particularly during the long, hot summers when air conditioning systems work overtime. Casement windows are designed with a tight seal that presses firmly against the frame when closed. This compression seal minimizes air leaks and drafts, helping to keep cooled air inside where it belongs. With less strain on your HVAC system, you may notice lower energy bills and more consistent indoor temperatures. Over time, this improved efficiency can make a meaningful difference in your home's overall operating costs. Improved storm resistance. Living in South Louisiana means preparing for unpredictable weather. Casement windows are known for their structural strength and secure locking mechanisms. Many models feature multi-point locking systems that make them harder to force open and more resistant to strong winds. Because the sash closes tightly against the frame, casement windows are less likely to rattle during storms and can provide better protection against wind-driven rain. When paired with impact-resistant glass options, they can offer an added layer of security and peace of mind during hurricane season. Unobstructed views and natural light. Des Allemands offers beautiful scenery, from waterways to lush landscapes. Casement windows are designed with a single pane of glass and minimal framing, which means fewer visual obstructions. This allows you to enjoy expansive outdoor views and bring more natural light into your home. Increased natural light not only makes your rooms feel larger and more inviting, but it can also reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. Brighter interiors create a warm, welcoming atmosphere that enhances your home's overall appeal. Easy operation and accessibility. Casement windows operate with a simple crank mechanism, making them easy to open and close. This is particularly beneficial for hard-to-reach areas such as above kitchen sinks or countertops. The smooth, controlled opening also allows you to adjust airflow precisely to your preference. For homeowners seeking improved accessibility, casement windows can be a practical solution. Their user-friendly design makes them suitable for a wide range of household members, including those who may find traditional window styles more difficult to operate. Modern style and versatility. Casement windows offer a clean, streamlined look that complements a variety of architectural styles found throughout Des Allemands. Whether your home has a classic Southern design or a more contemporary aesthetic, casement windows can be customized with different frame materials, finishes, and grille patterns to match your vision. Their versatility also allows them to be installed alone or paired with fixed-picture windows to create dramatic window walls that maximize light and views. A smart long-term investment. Upgrading to casement windows is more than just a cosmetic improvement. It's a strategic investment in comfort, efficiency, and durability. With their strong seals, excellent ventilation, and storm-ready design, casement windows are well suited to the demands of life in Des Allemands. If you're looking to enhance your home's value while enjoying everyday benefits like lower energy costs and better airflow, casement windows offer a practical and stylish solution tailored to the needs of local homeowners.